Hey guys, today we're here with the Carisma M40S touring car. It's an Audi. This one Dave's pretty excited about because it's actually his car we're doing the unboxing on. So.
Yeah, I actually got this model because me and a buddy was talking about getting into some on-road racing, and I decided to. I know I pre-cut a side on this. Alright, here. This is the Audi RS5 DTM by Carisma. I'm not sure what to really expect as far as parts quality.
He's got a couple of other Carismas. He's got a crawler and he's got a smaller scale Carisma, but we've never really bought one of their on-road cars, so figured we'd give it a try.
Yeah.
We've had this on back burner for probably about a month and a half, 2 months now. We got this at our local hobby shop before everything shut down.
Yeah.
I mean, it seems like it's going to be a great car. They're sold out pretty much everywhere of your mainstream stores online. You can still get them on eBay, but that's about
Ready
it.
to run. Was it the ready to run?
They had the kits on eBay, but
okay.
it was only from like 1 or 2 people.
Okay. So you can still find them, but they're
kind of hard to find.
Yeah, the few sites were on back order. One side of this dang thing opened. There we go. Let's see.
I mean, that kind of looks like it might be a good sign, though, because if they're sold out, that means they're sought after.
First thing I notice is the body. I'm actually going to pull that out here.
Clear and paintable.
I like clear and paintable. I get to make it mine. Let me slide it in front of the brown here. That's the kind of body. And that's exactly how it comes. Can't wait. What? Alright, let me go ahead.
Whoa.
Hold it on back here.
Oh, the bags are labeled. This is kind of similar to that G-Made kit we done, how they were labeled.
Oh yeah, I get to make this all the way mine. Oh, I love stickers. Alright, so nice labeled bags. All your parts seem to come together in the same parts bag. This is the shocks. Let's see what I'll get here. Oh, wow. Wheels and tires. It did mention that these are high traction tires. Really sticky. I want to feel them. I won't feel one. I'll show it to the viewers. Let's see here.
Now, this is a kit, so it doesn't come complete. You do still have to get a few things to run it.
I think I can get these to smoke. I might do a burnout with these. Yeah, I think I will. I will be doing a speed run with this car to see exactly how fast I can get it. May have to borrow the ESC out of the T-Max, E-Max conversion. See how fast I can get this thing. Success. Diff cups, let's see, spur gear, get all this good stuff. You get the motor that comes with it. It's a kit. You do not get controller,
Receiver,
ESC, but you do get the Carisma motor, the racing motor, 19 turns. That is a 540 size. I can tell by the lamp here. Is that? There's the wing. Is that interior? No. Okay.
Does it have steel gearing or does it have? No, it has aluminum, I believe I read.
I believe. I'm not sure. It's more of these bags around here. I'll see it in a minute.
Yeah, it had aluminum. Something.
That's what I was looking for.
Don't
actually.
remember.
Pop this bag.
Here's the bearings.
Alright. It does come with plastic diffs. I will not be throwing too much power to this. Plastic diffs. I may have to see if I can find a set of something a little stronger.
Whatever
We'll
this
see how long these
is,
hold
this
up.
is aluminum.
Let me go ahead and pop the chassis out. Center drive, and
So the center drive shaft is aluminum.
that's your chassis brace right here. This long bar might be your battery cap over your battery.
Some link tips.
Chassis. Vented for the motor. Decent.
It's hard plastic.
It's got a bit of flex in it. That's good. It won't snap right away. First wreck. Aluminum, lots of aluminum, like center drive shaft. The only thing I don't like about it is these diffs. They are plastic. That is something that I did not like on my first viewing. So everything else is up to par. Can't really say much more until I get it together. Really test it out.
It does have 4-wheel drive as well.
Yeah,
I did notice that.
It's all-time 4-wheel drive.
All right, guys. I think he's probably
Oh,
getting antsy to put this
I'm
together.
getting ready to start right now.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.